introduce yourself to the world and tell us what you got.
Hey everybody, my name is Brent Bowen, owner of Bowen Customs, and we basically build aluminum bed replacement systems.
Like this right here. What is this?
Yeah, so this is a full custom build that we did for Nate Pickle from Dirt Lifestyle. He's got a YouTube channel as well. Basically, we started off doing flatbeds and camper beds, and Nate came to us with basically we want to do a collaboration together, and he wheels this. If you guys know his channel, he's a pretty heavy-duty driver. Yeah, so
he needs the departure angle.
Yes, yes. And so all of our trucks already have a high departure angle for off-road use, but Nate wanted it higher, tighter, more departure angle, and then eventually we came up with the plan to do a dovetailed back end just because it's more and more clearance.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah. So and then Nate actually came in here and chopped, I believe, 18 inches off the frame of the Tacoma. So this thing is pretty custom. I actually went out with him to Easter Jeep Safari in this, and he wheeled it pretty hard, and you can see he's never made contact on the bottom. So,
yeah. You guys went to Moab
for Easter Jeep Safari,
and you didn't scratch your tail. That's crazy.
Yeah, yeah. It was close at a few times, but yeah. So this is what we call our crawler bed. Nate's got his iCamper on there. Some cool features we did here. You can see upper storage, and then he's got a tailgate here.
I think you're the first to probably do this. I've never seen anyone else do this with the camper.
Yeah, I don't.
iCamper.
We might be. I don't know. But it's worked out pretty good. He likes it. So.
Truck bed / rooftop tent.
Yep. Yeah, and then obviously, I don't know if these are open, but fully sealed storage. Depending on the model, there's different options for storage. So this was originally a Ram 3500 with an 8-foot bed, and we were able to do what we call our camper bed with the forward garage. This gives them about 18 inches of front storage. You can fit a full-size spare in there, 42, 43 inches up to. And then they have, it's like 7 3/4 foot, roughly 7.5 feet of bed space, which fits their Scout model perfectly. So they get all the upper and lower storage, the forward canopy, and then room for their camper. So
that's cool. It fits like a glove, man.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. We have different versions, different models, but we try and fit the campers as closely as possible. So the beds are all aluminum. Oftentimes they're similar in weight to the factory beds, so you're not really gaining much weight switching over to one of these beds. Depends on the options. Like this forward canopy adds a little bit of weight, but still all aluminum, pretty lightweight. So
it's beautiful.
Thank you. And then we have what we call our topper beds. So these are designed for like AT toppers, Project M's, Alu-Cab. All that upper storage is open to the inside, so it's pass-through storage.
That's a four-wheel camper, right?
Yep, Project M. Yep,
yeah, right there.
Yeah. So we can see from the back.
Oh, I know you.
So.
Mixflip.
I know, yeah. I watch your videos at Expo all the time.
Thanks, man.
So you can see on the inside, the big thing with our camper and topper beds is this floor is down to factory bed height. So this is the same. It's not up in the air like a flatbed. And then all the storage is passed through, so you get quite a bit of usable space. This specific model, KP with zero declination, did a real nice power unit right there. They're out of Reno, so.
Oh, I didn't know there. I'm from Reno. I didn't know that.
Yeah, that was him, KP. I'll introduce you here in a minute. Cool. But yeah, so this is for toppers. So they're bolted and sealed fully. We actually deleted the rear window on the Project M and did this barn door style swing out. Yeah, absolutely.
This is nice. Feels good.
Yeah.
This is nice. Very cool.
Yeah.
It takes this topper to the next level, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Part of the free too.
Oh, is that one big issue? Oh, wait.
Yeah, so this used to be the flip up rear window on the Project M. So we deleted that, filled the space, and then gave it this single barn door.
That's cool.
Kind of like the Alu-Cab style for trucks that didn't have that kind of feature. Yeah.
I wouldn't have noticed that if I didn't stop here and look close.
That means we must have done at least a decent job of blending it in.
That's nice.
Yeah. Two LED taillights, we got reverse lights underneath, relocated the backup sensors in the camera. Pretty standard on all these trucks. So. And then we have this is another version of the camper bed. This one's pretty cool because we took what was a 6 3/4 foot forward bed, so the standard length, but we put an 8-foot bed for an 8-foot camper. So usually you can't put that combo together because the camper hangs out the back, but we stretch the bed a little bit.
I love that.
Yeah.
That's a cool design.
Yeah.
Because now it looks like it blends perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, this truck actually won top camper from Truck Camper Adventures at Expo in Arizona. Yeah. So.
Yeah, it's perfectly blended in.
Yeah.
20 on diesel.
I actually walked through this one yesterday.
Oh, did you? Oh, cool.
Inside.
Oh,
My
perfect.
wife was looking at it.
Oh, yeah.
Because it has a 20.
Yep. Yep. This is a really nice model. Yeah, this is Matt Ward, the Ward family from Hallmark. They're out by us in Colorado. They do some really nice stuff.
And check this out. They actually have a cassette toilet right there. So if you have to go potty, just go poop in there and then take the cassette out and dump it.
As long as no one comes to
Oh, look at this. You got a fridge. You got your stove. You got a cooktop area, or a prep area, sink.
Where's the TV?
Bunch of storage.
no TV.
A seat for 2. Actually, you could probably fit 3 if you move this. Oh, it's a lagoon table, so yeah, you can move this out and fit 3 people. Nice big windows. You got storage. Oh, it's like hard storage on top. I don't remember seeing hard storage on a pop-up.
So I was thinking when they fold it.
Yeah, this is different. I've never seen a pop-up like this with the side. Usually the mechanisms are on the front and back. These mechanisms are on the side. Got a nice big queen size bed up there, I think, close to a queen. I like it. Yeah. I like the toilet.
Well, thanks.
Watch your head. Hey, I got it.
I got it.
You got it.
This is my truck. Let's go over to this side since they're in there. Yeah, this is my personal truck, Ram 1500. It was the short 5'7", but this is a 6.5 foot bed. Headache rack with flatbed, and then this is our canopy attached to the top with full internal storage. It's gonna hit, but so you can see tons of room inside. Yeah. Lots of storage options. I got 2 kids. It's great to haul their junk all around the country.
I got 3, so I feel your
There you go. You know. Yeah. So.
That's cool. I like how there's like a little bit of a ledge here where you spread tires.
Yeah. Yeah, and eventually we're gonna do like a swing out kitchen on that side. Obviously with the iCamper and the iCab. Sure. This is a real nice one. Everybody loves the hammock mount. This is by Adventure Hammock Systems. Bolts into the hitch.
Are you comfy? You look like it.
Yeah, so eventually we're gonna have a swing out kitchen here, but right now, fridge, red arc power system, and then all the normal storage. So.
You guys do bumpers too or not?
Nope. We don't even really do upfitting. We just stick to beds. There's a lot of companies.
Stick to what you
Yeah.
do.
Yep. So we stick to the beds and the canopies. We have companies we work with we can recommend for upfitting when they bring us their truck, but we just try to build nice beds.
So if guys want to pick up one of your beds, whatever, what's the turnaround on getting something from you guys?
Right now we're right around 9 months. So yeah, we're trying to keep that down, but had a lot of demand lately, and
Demand
so
through the roof and supply and
yeah.
everything.
Yeah. So, but we're trying to keep that down. Trying not to. It has been going up. We're trying not to get too far out. So, yeah. And then we're out of Denver, Colorado. So people can bring us their trucks. We do the installation and send them on their way.
Oh, nice,
So,
nice.
yeah.
Let's end this with a website.
Okay. Yeah. So if you want to find out more, you can go to bowencustoms.com. It's BOWEN customs.com. You can shoot us an email, reach out through the website or Instagram, and we'll get you taken care of.
And we'll probably bump into you at the Colorado.
Be at Colorado. We'll actually be at East as well. We're going to all the expos this year. Yeah.
How are you liking this one, by the way?
I love this one. This is great. I mean, the venue's awesome. There's grass, which everybody loves. It's good. It's a good location. Pacific Northwest, I think, has been probably underserved, so this is great.
The only thing I miss is some trees. We need some trees.
Yeah, that's true. That is the nice part about the Arizona show.
All right, guys, there you have it. Check them out.